today we're going to open one of these new, gonna open a Moj Moj Min, Moj Moj. So I'm here with my little Moj Moj Min. So this is what it looks like. Collect all 70. So soft, so cute, so Moj. So that's what it looks like. Comes in this little capsule, pretty cute. Alright, so you ready to open it up? Okay, I'm gonna get you started. And here we go. Just gonna open this right here. Gonna pop it open. Pop! There we go.
What is it?
Huh? It's a Moj Moj.
Is it squishy?
Maybe. And
oh yeah, it is.
And this is what it looks like here on the outside in the blind bag. So you go ahead and you can open that up. Let me know if you need some help there. And it comes with this cute little sticker. There's a couple little Moj Moj on there. Okay, so this is what the collector's guide looks like on the outside. And then these are all the ones that you can get here. Okay, we've got the little cuddlers. We have the darlings. We have the hideaways, the peekaboos, the misfits.
Baby, is that?
Maybe it's that one, and the pop stars. Okay, so there you are. You want to open it up?
What is it?
Let's see. Open it up. Pull the bag back. Oh. Oh, so we got the little elephant. So he looks like this, little blue elephant. Super cute. He's got little hearts on his ears. Go ahead and give him a squeeze and show everybody. Give him a squeeze. Oh, what's coming out?
What is it?
So when you give it a little squeeze, the little Moj Moj Min comes out. Oh, let's show everybody what it is. Oh, and it's a little baby elephant. How cute. And this little bubble. Is he squeezy? Did you squeeze him? There you go. Here, as you can see, this is the elephant from the hideaways. So cute. So cute. Oh, and he is a rare because it actually has a little star. As you can see right there is a star. So we've found a rare.
How do we bring it out?
He just pops out.
Show me.
He just pops out like this. Let's show everybody how he pops out. Oop. Oop. Oh, turn him this way. Oop, he's hiding. Hello. Oh, it's cute. Right there, squeeze. Okay, so there you go. So he comes on this little string, so you can put him on your backpack, on your keychain, whatever you like to do with him. So cute. Well, that's all for today, everybody. Thank you so much for watching.
Forget to subscribe.
Bye, everybody.